Hey, I'm Pam, and thanks so much for signing up to get my free guide to help you start getting rid of some of the plastics in your home that could be harmful to your family's health. So, the chemicals found in plastics like BPA and phthalates can potentially lead to a variety of health issues, including things like hormonal imbalances, allergic reactions like skin irritation or rashes, nausea and digestive issues, and headaches. And I know from personal experience that making these changes can be overwhelming. But I've also realized it's really helpful to many people to be able to get hands-on help in real time to work through the guide so that you can actually make the time to do it on your own and not procrastinate. Ask questions if you're not sure about something in the guide and get help figuring out safer options you can use that actually work. So I want to invite you to attend a live workshop I'll be hosting on Facebook to help you finally make some changes that will help keep your family healthy. So just click the button below to register for the workshop and I'll send you an email with all the details. See you soon.